In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use connectors and waypoints in draw.io for Confluence. To begin, open Confluence and create a new page using Add Page and New Page. This gives us a clean workspace for your diagram. Once you're in your diagram editor, we'll focus on shaping connector paths so your flows are clear and easy to read. Connectors are the lines that link your shapes. Waypoints are bend points on those connectors that let you route lines around other elements. Start by selecting a connector. You'll see blue handles appear along the line. Click and drag one of those handles. As you move it, a new waypoint is created and the connector bends to follow your placement. This is the fastest way to fine-tune a route, especially when you're trying to avoid overlapping other shapes. If you prefer precise control, you can also add a waypoint with a right click. Right-click directly on the connector where you want the bend and choose Add Waypoint. This is helpful when automatic waypoint creation doesn't trigger where you expect. Afterward, just drag any existing waypoint to adjust the path. Small incremental moves usually yield the cleanest lines. If things get messy, no worries, right-click the connector and select Clear Waypoints to reset it to its original straight or orthogonal path. There's also a dedicated waypoint shape you can place on the canvas. Make sure the general shape library is visible, then drag the waypoint shape into your diagram. You can use it like a hub to organize multiple lines. To connect existing shapes to this waypoint, drag a connector end onto the waypoint. Release when it highlights in blue or green to confirm the connection. To draw outward from the waypoint, hover over it to reveal the connection arrows, then click and drag to another shape. This approach keeps complex diagrams tidy by centralizing the routing through a single intentional point. When connectors cross but aren't meant to join, enable line jumps to show a clear passover. Select the connector, open the Style tab in the Format panel, and turn on line jumps. You'll see a small hop where lines intersect, making it obvious they don't connect. This is especially valuable in dense flowcharts, network diagrams, and system maps. That's it. Create your page, shape your connectors with waypoints, use the waypoint shape as a hub when needed, and add line jumps for clarity. With these techniques, your draw.io diagrams in Confluence will look cleaner, read faster, and communicate far more effectively.